This test is called as teaching aptitude test battery. The complete test involves three types of batteries: teaching aptitude test, Dev Mohan achievement test, and adjustment of prospective teachers in relation to their academic background. In this test, there are five subtests. First test is part 1. Part 1 has further three subtests. Part 1 for the first test is fill in the blanks of the list A by appropriate word from the words given in list B on answer sheet. Uh, the first sheet is like pan, green, milk. So we have to find list B cow, goat, light, sweet, which is the suitable option to fill in the blanks. The answer is to be filled in this given in the given edit box. Here is the options for all the 10 questions. uh, then one has to fill in this and press enter answer. Then one by one has to fill all the 10 answers. The answers will be recorded in the software. Then we come to part 1b. Part 1b, this part consists the number series. As if we were seeing previous were logical questions, one has to find the proper number in the series to complete appropriate number series. Here we can see all the options are filled from question number 1 to 12 by putting the answers in the appropriate edit box and entering the answer by a click. So this is B7 question, and is this answer is given as 50 as a number series. Now we come to part 1c. These are logical answers of the have to be filled against the proper question number, like brother of a doctor of Patna as so and so is relation is given. What is the relation of the so and so person with this person? There are total 10 questions, and one has to write answer to every question and save the answer in the software app. Then we come to part 2. Part 2 consists some 20 statements. Every statement is to be adjusted by 5 ideas for 5 responses as a rating as totally agree, agree, neutral, disagree, and total disagree. Then first question is children feel togetherness if they are given affection. So we can write one of the 5 options. uh, After filling this option will be reflected in the uh, edit box at the side. This agree, disagree, neutral. This was we can also see the reliability, split type reliability, PDS, etc. for the TATB battery. Then part 4 consists of uh, options already given for this. The highlighted choice we can see for the question number 1. There are 4 options for one question, as we can see in the Excel sheet clearly. First question and then 4 options. So one of these options has to be selected from the given combo box. Uh, On this I am highlighting the options 21, 2, 3, 4. Then part 3 then part 3 consists 20 questions. Then we come to part 4. There are two options. One has to click A or B. This is also an option based question and it has total 28 questions. In the part 4 one has to continue like this. Then part 5 2 again there are four options 1 to 12, only 12 questions are there in the part 4. One has to see each options very clearly and select only one of the options. We can see how the part 4 is first question, four options for the first question and one option has to be selected for then second, third, fourth, similar one has to answer all the 12 questions. After filling all the questions, here we can see the data from the previous test. These are test administered by default is written as ABCD, and here one can write the name who has taken the test to save as a test file. I am writing some just dummy name here, some name as some now as something like this, and after this we will find that we will write all responses completed. One can also upload the signature of the examiner here. Then one has to write the total score. One has to see how much is the total scores by pressing the appropriate buttons. um, Evaluate and write scores, display complete evaluated scores of TATB test in the books list box below. And now it is uh, showing the test result in this list box. Item 2, item 1, item 3, total score is 107. After this is a test of a one person. If you want to generate some correlation data, then one has to select data from some according to the procedure of the data collection methods and comparisons and generating some hypothesis, proving or some hypothesis, generating some results as I taken from this reference I have written here. Then I'm writing the name of the file. I want to save this exercise and my answers in a file. Then I can write save full test sheet data. Here I can see the my answers which I have just gone through the software app. Test administration date and time is also written. In psychological tests, some tests are invalid after some tests are valid for a certain period of time, like because many things are variable while performing a test. Suppose this can be valid for,